In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on Bill.com. First, log into your Bill.com account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the navigation menu and click on Invoices. This is where all of your customer invoices live. On that page, you'll see an option to create a new one. Go ahead and click Create Invoice to open a fresh invoice form. Next, you'll need to choose who you're billing. At the top of the invoice, you'll see a customer field. If this is an existing customer, just select their name from the list. If they're not in your system yet, choose the option to add a new customer. Take a moment to enter their basic details like their business name, billing email, and any other information your company usually records. Setting this up correctly now will save time the next time you invoice them. Now let's fill out the invoice details. Start with the template. Bill.com lets you choose a design, such as a simple, clean layout, or a custom template that includes your logo and preferred fields. Pick one that matches your brand and is easy for your customers to read. Next, look at the invoice number. Bill.com may suggest a number automatically, but it's your responsibility to make sure it's unique and follows your internal numbering system. Consistent numbering makes it much easier to track invoices and stay organized for accounting and audits. Then, add your line items. For each item or service, enter a clear description, quantity, rate, or price, and then choose the appropriate account or department if your organization tracks those. Being specific here helps reduce back-and-forth questions from customers and keeps your bookkeeping accurate. You'll also see some optional fields, such as payment terms, purchase order numbers, and sales representative. Use these when they apply. For example, if your customer provided a PO number, include it so they can match your invoice to their own records. Setting payment terms, like net 30, clarifies when you expect to be paid. There's also an auto charge option. If you have automatic payments set up for this customer and you do not want this particular invoice to be charged automatically, make sure to uncheck that box. When everything looks good, click Preview and Send. This lets you see exactly what your customer will receive. Double-check the details, then confirm the email recipients. Bill.com will usually pre-fill the email address from the customer record, but you can add or adjust addresses if needed. When you're ready, select Send Invoice. Finally, once it's sent, Bill.com will handle delivery. If your customer is connected to you through Bill.com, the invoice appears directly in their account. If not, it's emailed to them, typically with a secure link so they can pay online, as long as you've turned on online payments in your receivables settings. And that's all it takes to create and send an invoice on Bill.com.